Hello, my name is Katie Newhouse, and I'm a physical therapist at the Pelvic Health Center at MemorialCare Long Beach Medical Center. Recovery after birth has long been brushed off as a normal part of life that birthing person should bounce back from on their own. However, many people have ongoing issues related to birth they suffer with for the rest of their lives. Pregnancy impacts every body system. However you birthed, your body went through up to 9 months of changes. Although often cleared to go back to sex and exercise at 6 weeks, recovery typically takes 9 to 12 months or more. Pelvic health therapists can educate and support you through this remarkable time in your life. They can help you to recover safely and get back to the activities you enjoy with less risk of injury. Helping you to feel and function better is one of the best things you can do for your family. Whether you had a vaginal or cesarean birth, there's an impact to the pelvic floor. A trained pelvic health therapist can assess your pelvic floor and individualize a treatment plan for your recovery. It's essential to learn proper body mechanics to care for your new baby and minimize your pain. Some people may have ongoing back, pubic bone, or hip pain that can be relieved with therapy. Others may notice a more significant separation or doming in their abdomen, and we can assist with strengthening and pressure management. Additionally, some people may experience incontinence, and we can assist with regaining control. Some people may have constipation, and we can assist with getting bowel movements more regular again. Others may experience a feeling of pelvic heaviness or pressure related to pelvic organ prolapse, and we can help to minimize these symptoms. Many people have perineal tearing following a vaginal birth. Once healed, therapists can teach scar tissue massage to decrease pain. More significant tearing, grades 3 to 4, can make it difficult to hold in a bowel movement, and we can also work on this. Following a cesarean birth, we work on scar massage, pain reduction, and exercises to promote the healing of both the abdominal and pelvic floor muscles. After my second birth, I advocated for myself, and my OBGYN connected me with a pelvic health therapist. My therapist educated and supported me through this challenging time in my life. I am so excited that we can offer the Pelvic Health Center at MemorialCare Long Beach Medical Center to the community. Many issues experienced during pregnancy and postpartum are common but not normal. You don't need to suffer in silence. I believe every birthing person deserves the right to have an evaluation and any necessary treatment with a qualified pelvic health therapist. Please don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider for an order for pelvic health therapy. You are not alone, and we are here to help.